These screen protectors do a really good job of protecting your phone. If the phone takes an impact, you want that screen protector to take the impact instead of your phone. If you have a screen protector that's broken, I'm going to show you how to replace that. I use a knife blade to get underneath the old screen protector. Glass is harder than the steel, so you won't scratch the glass. Just keep working your way all the way around the phone. The screen protector's already cracked, so you don't have to worry about cracking it anymore. Once you get to a certain point, you can just remove it with your hand. Some people use their fingernail just to pry the entire thing up without using a knife. I find the knife very helpful to get things started. I wipe everything down with rubbing alcohol. You want to make sure there's no dirt on the screen. One piece of dirt will cause an air bubble. Just take your time with this step. Make sure it's very, very clean. Sweeping in one direction can help with this. See this piece of dust? You want to remove this. It'll form an air pocket, and then you'll have to push the air out. It's just easier if you don't have dust on it. Peel the coating off the new protective glass. You want to do this right before you put it on. You don't want any dust getting in between the glass and your phone. This is the trickiest part. You've got to keep things straight. If you drop this down crooked, it's gonna be crooked. We usually keep a knife blade in there just to keep everything up so it doesn't make contact. That way if you set it down crooked, you can still get it back up. Once you know everything is laying down perfectly straight, you can pull that knife out and you'll see the glass just flow into the phone. Okay, we've got everything straight. We're gonna go ahead and pull that knife out. Now when we do this, you're going to see it just like water flowing. Now you can see one piece of dust was on there. Here, I'll zoom in on that dust. See it right here. You can see that air bubble form. Luckily, this dust is very small. When we press the air bubble out, you can barely see it. If it were any bigger, you'd be looking at it all the time. That's why you want to take your time and make sure there's no dirt or dust. You can see with this new glass protector, this phone looks new. Now, if the face of this phone takes a hit, hopefully this top glass breaks and not the phone, which is exactly what happened to the other glass that was on there. So we were really glad that it was on there. I guess it's like cheap insurance, right? Well, that's how you reinstall a screen protector. Well, I hope these tips will help you out in this process. I really appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.